Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that mystery tinder. It was indeed homemade. As you can see, someone's added a piece of wood here for that rear screw to go into. Now, this looks like it's been made by hand and perhaps cut out with a nibbling tool. Not really sure. It's aluminum, as you see. Anyway, it was done really well. Grommets have been installed for the wires to run through. The switch had been mounted. In any case, here are the two original trucks. Here are the rollers. Now, the rollers are snap-on, so I can use these on virtually any Lionel truck. So these by themselves are why I bought that tender. I just wanted these rollers. I thought they were attached directly to the trucks, but they're not. They literally just snap into position across the axles. Anyway, so I can use these on virtually any truck. And the switch is an old, who knows, old toggle switch from probably the 60s or something. Cloth-covered wire. And I've got the two trucks, the shell, which is, I don't know what I'll do with it. But anyway, the chassis, but the thing I wanted was those two rollers. I mean, those were definitely worth $2. There's no doubt about that. So I can light a couple of tenders or make a searchlight car, perhaps a couple of them. Anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up. Got a couple of comments giving me some opinions of where this came from, and it's definitely kit bashed. I mean, somebody literally assembled this out of parts, and they did a really good job on it. What it was for, I have absolutely no idea. But again, this is what I wanted with the two rollers. I mean, for $2, you really can't beat that. I have no idea what these would cost, but it'd be a lot more than $2. And the fact that they just snap across a axle on a standard Lionel truck makes these things really adaptable. You can do all kinds of stuff with these things. Anyway, I just want to do a follow-up video. Thank everybody who commented on that last video. So it's definitely been assembled out of parts. There's no doubt about that. Someone cut the coal load out and replaced it with that piece of aluminum. Why? I have no idea. But I've never seen this chassis before. So anyway, it was all hand assembled. There's no doubt about that. So I got the two trucks and the two rollers. That's what I wanted. In fact, the two rollers was the exact reason I bought this tender. Anyway, a $2 bid. I was the only bidder on it. Got here today, and so it was definitely worth the $2. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. I have no idea what those couplers were from. I've looked online. I can't find anything even similar to them. You know, they're cast zinc. So no idea. But I got what I wanted, which was these two rollers. So just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.